Hi, I'm Adam Diaz, a senior sales engineer here at Privacera, a leader in unified data access and Gen AI security governance. Thanks for joining us today for a video on governed data stewardship, one in a series of technical videos we like to call Hit Me With Your Best Shot, a Privacera Explains series where we take shots at your toughest technical questions. Here at Privacera, we often get questions about the automated process of discovering data and requesting access. Let's take a look at how we enable this in Privacera. The value of both making data discoverable but also automating your data access approval process is that not only are your users given the freedom to shop from available data sets as needed, but their request for access no longer requires a sometimes long and tedious approval process for data sets they might need, which enables business agility. Okay, so here we are in the sales global data set. We're going to pick up here where Jason left off from his demo, and we're going to show the process now of how a user would then request access to a data set that has been made discoverable or shared, and then have that automated process of having the access policy enabled for that user. And so here we are in the sales global data set, and we'll switch users. We're actually logged in as Owen the user Owen right now, and who owns this data set. We're going to go over to a separate user who does not currently have access to that data set. And underneath the shared with me tab, we're going to say discover data sets. And then we're going to take a look. You can see here that Owen is the owner of the sales global data set. And then we're going to say, I would like to request access, read write access. This is for my project. For example, we'll say request access. You can see the request was created successfully, which is good news. When we go back now and look at Owen, the user Owen, and that request has now been sent to the notifications bell up here. So now user Owen can say, okay, this request just came in from Sally. I'd like to approve the request and say accept. And now Sally, you can see here, got a green light for request 796 is successful, and she has access to that data set. And that can be verified then looking at the users who then have access to this data set. Now Sally is the newest addition here at the bottom with read write access. Thank you for watching our video on governed data stewardship, requesting access to a data set. Please take a moment to visit us at privacera.com for additional topics.